could have been a bit better. Where was that 2 solves ago? That would have been really helpful. I feel like there's maybe a good cross here I'm missing. Where was that 3 solves ago? Come on, man. Nice. Not so nice. So if I can pull something off good for this last solve, I can have a PB average of 5. And looking at the scramble, it's a good scramble. There it is. After a year, after 1 entire year, we have a PB average of 5. By 100th of a second again. Come on, man. Come on. I'll take it, but the last like 3 have been by 100th of a second. That's kind of funny. But I will happily take it. It's been way too long. And it's on camera too, so I'll definitely upload this to YouTube. So say hi to YouTube. Thanks, Dirt Boy. I'm very happy about that.